See, now I got to go from mental creation to physical action. Okay, what do I need to do this week? How do I stimulate it? Who do I follow up with? Who can I contact? See, now I'm getting into physical action from the mental creation. Doing an audit on the business. Kiyosaki used to say, a business is designed before there is a business. A poorly designed business always has to be redesigned at some point in the future. In the month of December, in essence, what we're doing is we're taking some time to redesign the business. Okay, we're basically breaking down what did you learn? What are you changing? How to show exponential growth in the new year? Maybe how to add new products or services, maybe a new product line, maybe new strategy, maybe new revenue producing. Maybe you just want to torch the business. And it's time for you to go, you know what? The business is not working the way it's supposed to work. Tony Schwartz, I'm not a huge fan of his, but he wrote a book called The Way We're Working Isn't Working. Okay, so in today's course, we're going to focus on the level 10 opportunity. And the reason this is so important to the future of your business is it reorients your brain. Okay. The level 10 opportunity is the biggest opportunity available to you that moves you closer toward your B, that is highly enjoyable and highly profitable and highly meaningful, that you're not focused on. You say, well, why wouldn't I be focused on it? Life happens. Current of the urgent, busyness, lack of focus, easily distracted, too many ideas. See, every week when I come into the week, I sit back and I go, okay, what is the greatest level 10 opportunities available to me? Let me give you the definition again. A level 10 opportunity is the greatest opportunity available to you that moves you closer to your B, that is highly enjoyable, highly profitable, highly meaningful. Remember, we're contrasting that this month. Least profitable, least enjoyable, least meaningful. Okay, we're getting very clear in the fundamental relationship between our skill set and the people we want to work with, whose problem we would want to solve. We're looking at our missing structures from customer acquisition to follow-up and conversion to engagement after the sale. And we're going, okay, 2024, I want to reorient the business.
You want to get a text daily from me, 5 days a week, activate and reactivate the prey drive, some of my best concepts, a little shot of Coach every single morning. I want you to text this number, text Monster Producer to this number, and I'd love to come into your life every single morning and get that prey drive activated. Let's go.
And I believe there are 3 big opportunities. See, I was coached in this concept of look at a business, look at the dangers, look at the opportunities, look at the strengths. Look at the dangers, okay? Look at the opportunities, look at the strengths. The level 10 opportunity is it's a great opportunity available to you, but you're not focused on it. It could be a relationship with the Blue Marlin. It could be a new market sector, could be a new product line, could be a new way to make money. See, I was just out in Las Vegas this past week, and one of my good friends went with me, and he doesn't have a way to generate any short-term cash. He can't stimulate his own economy. See, I was out there and I had this idea. You know what if I said for the first 30 people who rent my theater at the Greatness Factory, I'm going to give it to them at $5,000 versus $12,500. It's over 60% off. See, what if 30 people took that and it generated $150,000 by the end of the year? See, I could stimulate the economy for short-term cash flow. He is in a space where he can't do that. So he's like, I really need something. So I want you thinking this week, the level 10 opportunity is I sit around and I think about, okay, where would it be highly enjoyable, highly profitable, highly meaningful? Where would it be highly enjoyable, highly profitable, highly meaningful? Where do I go get short-term cash, long-term cash? How do I restructure the business? If I'm doing X, how do I 5X that? Not 2X it. How do I 10X it? Okay. So the level 10 opportunity is the greatest opportunity available to you that moves you closer to your B. It's highly enjoyable. It's highly profitable. See, just by talking about it, my mind is thinking, okay, see, now we're in mental creation. We're thinking about our big opportunities, but we have to move from mental creation to physical action. If I go, you know what? Greatest opportunity available to me is renting the theater at the new Greatness Factory. It's getting the co-working up and going. Okay, that's mental creation. See, now I got to go from mental creation to physical action. Okay, what do I need to do this week? How do I stimulate it? Who do I follow up with? Who can I contact? See, now I'm getting into physical action from the mental creation. So the level 10 tool is basically a thinking tool that gets you to focus on the greatest opportunity available to you that you're not currently focused on right now. That's what the level 10 tool is. Then we go from mental creation to physical action. Then we start putting some timelines and targets on there on the revenue. Okay. And then, because this opportunity is a lot of fun, it actually reactivates our prey drive, because now we're back pursuing something bigger. And the pursuit is what activates the drive. Okay. So your assignment this week, guys, is to be thinking about 3 level 10 opportunities that are available to you that moves you closer to your B goal, that's highly enjoyable, highly profitable, highly meaningful. I'm assuming we've done the work this month. When you know exactly what you have and exactly who would want it. That's the fundamental relationship. We're looking at the missing structures we have, and we go, man, we're missing this, and this. Okay. And basically what we're doing is we're breaking down these missing structures, and we're trying to figure out exactly how we solve these problems. So the level 10 leads to the Blue Marlins, leads you toward the B goal, reactivates the prey drive so you can get excited. Okay. All right, let's have a great week, everybody. I'll be covering all of this on the Monday call at 12:30 on Monday. The level 10 opportunity, greatest opportunity available to you that you're not focused on, that moves you closer to your B, and it reactivates the prey drive. Could be a new product, new service, new line of business. It's something that is a big opportunity that you're not focused on.